Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Healthy Journey. I am Bunny, and today we are diving into a topic that affects us all: how to handle difficult situations in life. Whether it's a setback at work, a personal crisis, or a sudden change in circumstances, knowing how to navigate these challenges with resilience can make all the difference in our well being and success. Firstly, let's recognize that difficult situations are a natural part of life. They can range from financial struggles, relationship conflicts, to health issues. What sets people apart is not the absence of these challenges, but rather how they respond to them. Well, here I have few of the key steps to tackle any challenge in your life. The first one that I have is stay calm and assess. When faced with a difficult situation, our first instinct may be panic or stress. Instead, take a deep breath, assess the situation objectively, gathering all the necessary information. The second one is seek support. Remember, you are not alone. Reach out to friends, family, or a trusted mentor. Talking through your feelings and concerns can provide clarity and emotional support. The third one that I have is focus on solutions. Rather than dwelling on the problem itself, shift your focus to potential solutions. Break down the issues into manageable steps and create a plan of action. Well, moving on to the fourth one, that is learn and adapt. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Take the lessons learned from this experience to strengthen your skills and resilience for the future. Well, last but not the least, practice self care. Lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself amidst challenging times. Prioritize activities that promote relaxation, such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies you enjoy. By mastering resilience and adopting these strategies, you can navigate through life's difficulties with confidence and grace. Remember, it's not about avoiding challenges, but about how you choose to face them that defines your journey. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on the healthy journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you grow in life. Until next time, take care and stay resilient. Thank you all for watching. This has been Bunny from the Healthy Journey, signing off, wishing you all strength and positivity on your own journey.